Dear students, here I will explain about second type of pulley, that is movable, and its name is single movable pulley. So the structure you can see here. Okay, so what you need to understand, suppose there is a fixed point here, rope is like this. Okay, or you can see this way, here is the effort, here is the load. You can see there is no fixed point. Okay, this load is totally under this rope, on this rope. Okay, when you are pulling this rope above, that load is that rope is going right side. Understand? I think imagine, then you can understand. Suppose you are giving effort, pulling the rope upward, then what happens, that load is coming this side, so this load is not at the so there is no fixed, okay, movable pulley. Understand? Before I have explained, a fixed point was there. Okay, but here there is a, the object load is movable. So in this case, how the mechanical advantage, velocity ratio, and all other thing will come, that I will explain. Students, in your book the picture is like this. You can see you are giving a effort. Okay, so this is the pulley and there is the load is acting below, and that is the axle, and it is totally on this rope. Okay, so we will find ma vr eta of a single movable pulley. How, that I am explaining. Now move to the picture here. Okay, so students, one thing you just need to understand, then you will totally clear it. See, there is a tension force. Effort. Okay, here is the pulley, here is the load. Suppose, see students, this here when we are providing a effort, it is that effort is balancing the tension force. Similarly, this thing, this pulley also, there is also a tension force upward. This pulley is pulling the balancing this tension force. Similarly, this side also the away tension force, again this rigid balancing a tension force. Okay, this rigid rod is balancing a tension force downwards acting. Understand what I am doing, saying? Okay, so there is, you can see these are the tension force you need to remember. See, this is the load. When you will pull the effort, you can see, suppose here is a displacement x. Okay, that's I'm coming later. So if there is the t, you can see load is balance is equal to 2t. How it's coming? So students, what I told, that when we are giving effort, this effort is balancing 1t only, so effort is equal to t. But when you are thinking about the load, see students, that load is balancing by two side t, this side also and this side also, because one rigid side, here also a tension force is working, and this side also, when we are giving the effort, one tension force, effort to balancing one tension, you know, but load is balancing by two side tension. Okay, that you need to understand, then totally there will be clear. Okay, once again, see, here giving effort, here is the load. Okay, when effort is giving, effort is pulling this t. Similarly, that load is going upward, means that rope, this side also gaining a force, that tension. Okay, there is also a tension away from the rope, that tension, this is also balanced. Otherwise, so if this will turn, then can you use it as a movable pulley? No to. Okay, so when you are giving the effort, that tension to somehow pass this one also, this fixed point also, so that is also, this side tension also balanced by the load. So load is balanced by two side of tension. Understand? Okay, and effort balancing only one side tension. Okay, only effort we are giving here. Okay, so that is the thing student all need to understand. So load is equal to 2t, effort is equal to 1t. That means mechanical advantage load by effort is equal to 2t by t is equal to 2. Okay, and that is this is for ideal machine, you know that. So it is act as a force multiplier because mechanical advantage greater than 1. In normal pulley, you know that single fixed pulley, that is change the direction of the effort. But see student, when it is a movable pulley, it is act like a force multiplier. Okay, force multiplier. Now come to its velocity ratio. That is also important. How velocity ratio? Similarly, what is the tension we calculate here? Here the calculate the velocity of the effort. Now students, velocity of the effort are effort is equal to velocity of load, means effort distance in the through the towards the effort arm by the distance traveled by the load. Okay, and distance traveled by the effort is 2x if distance traveled by the load is x. How it happens? That is also very important. See, suppose here is the movable. Okay, here is the thing. Here is the effort. So you pull it up to this portion. Suppose this is the x. You pull that. So effort means this side, the velocity of the load is go only x. Understand? That load move only x. But both side t, this side rho also, now to after some time this load will come this position here. So this entire rope come this side, means this side also x movement takes place, which is now in this side. Okay, so in Bengali if I say, suppose তুমি এটাকে পুল করছো ও তুমি যখন এটাকে x x x ভ্যালু আছে, ঠিক আছে, ইনিশিয়ালি কোনো টানা হচ্ছে না, আচ্ছা x ডিস্টেন্স আমি যখন পুল করলাম, ঠিক আছে, টানলাম এটাকে উপরের দিকে, সাপোজ x ডিস্টেন্স যখন এটাকে তুলে নেবো তখন তো এই জায়গায় চলে এসছে লোডটা, তার মানে এইদিকে যে দড়িটা ছিল তারও x পরিমাণটা এই ডান দিকে চলে এসছে, দ্যাট মিন্স এফোর্ট তখন কম্বাইন্ড ভাবে আসছে 2x, কিন্তু লোড মুভ হয়েছে শুধু এই ডিস্টেন্স এই এক্সটা, বিকজ অলরেডি তো ডান দিকে এক্স ছিল, যখন আমি এক্স আরও উপরের দিকে টানলাম তখন লোডটা ফাইনালি যে জায়গায় লোড এলো এদিকে 2x চলে গেছে, 2x, বাট লোড উঠেছে কতটা অবধি, লোড অনলি go up to x, understand? So that's why load move x when effort there is 2x. Okay, so velocity radio is 2, understand? That means speed decrease means you know speed decrease means it is not act as a speed multiplier. Okay, that means we are giving more effort. VE by VL 2 means velocity ratio means 2 times we are giving effort and 1 times it is load is moving, understand? Means speed decrease, we are giving more speed, we are giving more effort, but less work is doing, less movement. Work means less movement, understand? So that is the thing students, little bit conceptual, somehow you need to understand. Okay, because we are far away, you somehow you need to understand. Means you see effort is moving 2x but load is moving only 1x, means outcome is less. Okay, that's why speed decrease. Hence students, a force multiplier machine can't be act as a speed multiplier, together it can't work. So single movable pulley, its velocity ratio is 2, always fixed, and that means effort velocity is greater than the load velocity. And effort velocity means, effort means what we are doing, what work done on the machine, that is the effort. And by the machine means on the load, that is the load portion is by the machine, effort portion is by us or on the machine. So on the machine is effort is more and by the machine is less, that means it's not favorable, means it is not giving us a positive outcome. Okay, so it is not act as a speed multiplier but it is act like a force multiplier. Why force multiplier? That is also I am saying, you can see here load is equal to L by E, so E is equal to, you say, load by 2. Okay, load by 2, that means what the load means, effort is equal to half into load, we can say. Okay, that means what the load is there, the half effort we can giving to carry that load. Okay, so do some action on that load, we will provide a half of that load effort. Okay, what amount of load is there, that half effort if you give, the load will be moved. That means it is a force multiplier. Okay, but similarly you can see speed is decreasing. Okay, it can't act as a speed multiplier. So students, listen this video very slowly, okay, or rewind the video to proper understand. So force multiplier means can't multiply speed. It can't multiply speed. You see here, you read the book also after understanding here, then you can better understand. Now coming to a practical machine, if efficiency less than 100%, how you will find the mechanical advantage? That is so already I have explained previous video. Here the velocity ratio is always 2. That means efficiency mechanical advantage we can calculate by using the velocity ratio, and efficiency will be given 60%, 70% it will be given. In the place of velocity ratio only you put the value 2. Previous single fixed pulley you put the value 1, here you will put the value 2. Okay, then you will get. Now student, there if we done some improvement, if we done some improvement in this machine, in this movable pulley, how you can see this picture. I am just zooming it. See, means there is a, this is a movable pulley, this is a single fixed pulley. Then we can giving the effort upward. You know, here this machine is why not good, because you can see. 1 minute. You can see here. We are pulling it upward, means we are giving the force downwards. It is very it is not easy, okay, it's hard. Rather than if we do something upward on like this way, pulling downwards, that is easy. I told you that you just hold the rope and you hang yourself, then easily we can pull someone. But this upward force is very pulling something towards the upward directly, it is awkward. But here this thing happens. So if we fix another single fixed pulley, okay, then that will just change the direction. Okay, it will change the direction. We will pull it here upward. Only just if we pass through the single fixed pulley, then it will just change the direction. So same thing, that means it will give a good mechanical advantage. Okay, so that is also present in your book. You can see single fixed pulley means change the direction of the effort. It has changed direction of effort from above to the downside, you can see here. And movable pulley, you know, force multiplier. Okay, similarly tension force how acting I have explained here. You can see that load, here is a tension, here is a tension force, effort is balancing this tension, upward tension. Okay, okay, so that is the thing. I hope all will clear here. Here also you can see mechanical advantage is equal to 2. Okay, same okay, same way, just do, we have done an improvement to work it better. Load is equal to 2t. You can see load is balanced by both side tension, and effort is equal to t one side. That means mechanical advantage here is also 2. Only just we have done some improvement to do the work betterly. Now students, a complex pulley, we will read a complex type of pulley in the next lecture. Thank you very much.